Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with the dreaded F24 error code on your Whirlpool washer from 2025 models, don't panic. We're here to help you troubleshoot and get your machine running smoothly again. This error typically signals a problem with the water temperature sensor or the heating element, which can disrupt your wash cycles and leave you with damp clothes. Let's dive in and break this down step by step. First off, what exactly is the F24 error? In Whirlpool washers, it usually means the appliance isn't detecting the correct water temperature. This could be due to a faulty sensor, a blocked heater, or even issues with the wiring. It's a common problem, especially in older models, but the good news is that many fixes are DIY friendly. To start troubleshooting, make sure your washer is unplugged for safety. Always prioritize that. Check the inlet hoses for any kinks or blockages that might affect water flow, as this can indirectly impact temperature sensing. Next, inspect the heating element at the bottom of the tub. Look for signs of wear or buildup. If you're comfortable, you can use a multimeter to test the sensor's resistance. It's usually around 20,000 ohms at room temperature, but consult your user manual for specifics. If that doesn't work, try resetting the washer by unplugging it for a few minutes and then plugging it back in. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches. However, if the error persists, it might be time to call a professional technician, as there could be deeper electrical issues. Remember, attempting repairs without the right knowledge can void your warranty or cause more damage. In summary, the F24 error is manageable with basic checks and resets, but don't hesitate to seek help if needed. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home appliance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy washing.